cars were never designed not to be driven. I want to see you on the highway. My name is Darius Prigmore, and you're at Automotive Dynamics. My main goal right now is to be a premier automotive shop in Hampton Roads in the performance world. My journey started early on in the driveway, messing with bikes, dirt bikes, and cars, and then ventured into my professional life where we worked at service centers and dealerships, and ventured into branched out into doing my own thing and focusing on performance and, just trying to make power. And it is which delve into all types of racing as far as drag racing, domestics and import cars. I still cater to the guy that's just trying to get in the game. When you want to start their journey with just maybe an air intake and a tune, or air intake and headers, or something small bolt-ons, and where they can experience that, and they may not even want to go further. That may be enough for them. Next thing you know, we're doing a full build on their vehicle, and they're ready for big power. And I'm willing to spend the time with them to help them on their journey. Us having a partnership is because we're working together to achieve a particular goal, whether that get your family van back on the road so that you can get to work and get your kids to school, or your goal of 1,000 horsepower, which is a fantastic number to try to achieve. It has to be a partnership. We have to have a good working relationship to make your goal be a reality. Some of these shops won't even talk to you in person. You have to make an appointment. Some of them won't even talk to you without paying for an appointment, to even just have a general conversation about your goals, or to shy away from anything other than a brake job and an oil change and a standard engine replacement. If you want to put a cam in it, let's go. Let's do it. Let's say we can make this particular platform. And I think that's what stands apart from a franchised type of location. Easy to get in touch with me, 757-224-0857. Or you can catch me on Facebook at AD Performance VA or Instagram at AD Performance VA. Shoot me an email at shop@adautomotiveva.com. I want to work with you to create something, to build something. Let's put a vision together.